Very nice low-maintenance brick townhouse featuring 2 bedrooms 2 full baths. Nice kitchen with hardwood cabinets, granite countertops and pantry. Stainless steel kitchen appliances remain. Dining room leads to covered back patio. Open split floor plan with master to the back. Large walk-in tile master shower. Walk-in closets. Laundry room. 1-car garage. This is an interior unit resulting in lower cost to heat and cool. HOA maintained lawn care. Located inside the city limits with less than 5-minute drive to downtown Madisonville. 15-minute drive to Tellico Lake, 20 minutes to Tellico River, Cherohala Skyway and Cherokee National Forest. Lying between Knoxville and Chattanooga.